guys, welcome to another episode of J&B Tuning, where I post helpful yet entertaining video weekly. Well guys, in today's episode we are going to work on the Golf R, and there's a few things that I'm going to work on the car. I also got a package from Parks Auto, just little things that I want to add to the car, and I'm waiting on other parts as well. It's taking them a long time to get here, but there are some parts that I'm going to be doing for you guys coming up for the summer 2022. So anyways guys, stay tuned. Strip out the Golf R here quickly, and I'm going to show you guys exactly what I'm going to be working on. So how's the lights there? It's good. Let me just make sure I got some lights here. So anyways guys, what I'll be working on is I'll be cleaning up my filter for the Rock Euro intake. As well, I'm gonna open up the package there. I'm not gonna tell you guys what I have, but we'll be installing that as well in the process. I'll be washing this up because it's fairly filthy. I pretty much cleaned this up in preparation for the next summer, and at the same time as well, before we drive the car, I'll be doing the oil change and making sure that we get a fresh oil, and any moisture or any mildews that actually was building up there during the winter time, which are very unlikely because we have a controlled environment here. We have a warm garage throughout the winter, so we don't really have that issue here. As well, in an update, this trickle charger that I have here is fairly inexpensive, that I have featured, and feel free to check that video that I did for this what is it called again? Power Fist trickle charger, and it's been actually working pretty good. As you can see guys, it's fully charged, or at least it's charging right now. No, actually it is fully charged, because once the blue light is on, that means that it's charging. So yeah, it looks like it's keeping everything 100% charged, and yeah, I'm gonna definitely hook the battery up pretty soon here and get the car in the running condition. Well, it's time to open our box here and show you guys exactly what I have here. Just little things that I could add to the Golf R here. There's also other parts, like I said, that I'll be installing this summer. Again, not to spoil it too much, but this is the first package that came in, and I can't wait to install them. So close this up before we hurt ourselves. Alright, so some mask here. First item, I don't know guys if you guys can recognize this, but this is the Audi brake ducts. It's basically to aid me from, put this down a little bit here so I can show you guys exactly what we have. So I got an air ducts here from Audi, and let me open this up pretty soon here and show you guys exactly what it looks like. So this is basically for the purpose of putting a little bit of air through the brake calipers and the brake rotors there, to give us a bit of air. And the Audi RS3 has this basically on the bottom there, and it directs the air to the brakes basically on both right and left. So this is an OEM Audi air ducts, and we'll be installing this pretty soon. And the other items that I have in here are just little cosmetic things that I want to change. So basically, this is we can install this now. It's the replacement of our oh, okay, actually I don't even need to actually replace this because it's already black. Anyways, yeah, I just wanted to change this because I wanted to make it black. We kind of match everything here. to make the to make our bonnet here, our engine bay, a little cleaner. And yeah, I'll be keeping this, of course. I remember there was a blue one as well for the cap. I think it was, I must be thinking about the MK7 Golf at one point, but it's actually already black, so I'm gonna keep the original one. I guess I didn't pay attention, so I bought this. I might just put this in the Jetta, replace the Jetta's cap, because I know the cap for the Jetta is blue, I believe. So it won't be wasted after all. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. We will be cleaning up. Let me see what else we have in here. Oh, of course, we get some small goodies in here from Parks Auto, and we got some stickers, as well as some air fresheners. So thanks for that. I appreciate it. So anyways guys, we'll continue on and clean our air filter here. So how filthy it is, guys. Basically here, yeah, there's a bunch of bugs in there, so it's literally time to clean it up and oil it at the same time. Get some fresh oil on it. I usually spray the cleaner first to loosen up all this dust, but there's so much bugs in there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just want to get rid of the bugs first, let it sit for a day or two, and then later on I'll apply the cleaner, and then I'll try to rinse it up again. So I'll just leave it like this at this point, just to get the bugs out.
Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. We'll go.
Well guys, as I suspected, yeah, so we do have a blue one on the Jetta itself, so I'll be pretty much replacing this that cap with this one, and we'll go from there. Let's give it a shot here. Engine's a little hot still, so as you guys can hear the pressure there. But here we go. Here's our new cap. Nice. Yeah, that looks a lot better, that's for sure, compared to this one here. So now we just gotta replace this with the black one now. So I gotta put an order on that one pretty soon. So cool, looking better. The engine bay definitely needs some cleaning here, but the Jetta definitely needs some sprucing up here pretty soon. So stay tuned. Well, folks, we got the air filter here all cleaned up, so I'll be basically throwing it in the Golf R pretty soon. And at the same time, guys, just want to flip this camera over. I just want to give you guys an update. Actually, I have a good news for you. Basically, I'm working on a really big thing, as I promised you guys, and I have to cut this video short because whatever I'll be installing on the Golf R here will be a lot easier once this surprise that I'm going to be doing for you guys coming up. So anyways, guys, I don't want to spoil it too much, but again, thank you for watching and thank you for your support in the whole 9 yards for this channel. And as I mentioned to you, this summer is going to be an awesome one, and we'll have a lot of contents coming in and lots of improvements in this garage and lots of improvements for the Golf R as well. And as soon as the Suno Sunfire will get worked on, we'll definitely be featuring the Suno Sunfire as well in the process. So anyways, guys, stay tuned, and I'll check back to you in the next video.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all